Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. Absolute temperature is a scientific term used to describe temperature measurements on an absolute scale, such as the Kelvin scale, where 0 represents absolute zero, the lowest possible temperature. It is a temperature scale that does not use negative values. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The Kelvin scale is an absolute temperature scale that starts from absolute zero, which is the point at which molecular motion ceases. Why absolute temperature use in example number 1? In this example, absolute temperature is used to describe the Kelvin scale and its starting point at absolute zero. Example number 2. The laws of thermodynamics often involve calculations based on absolute temperature values, especially in heat transfer and energy equations. Why absolute temperature use in example number 2? Here, absolute temperature is used to describe its role in thermodynamics and its relevance in heat transfer and energy calculations. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.